I work as a conduit in many cases to explain what mostly external pen testers come in to the consumer of pen test service. Engineering teams, business, explain to them why it is important, what the real vulnerability is. Explain to pen testers, yes, you see this vulnerability is critical, but in a business context, it is not critical because there are other controls. Simple example was a big ability to manipulate transactions, but what happens is those transactions never go automatically live because they involve phone call between a customer and account manager on every transaction, which means that yes, technical vulnerability is big, business risk is not that big because there are other controls. And at that time I thought, why there is no place where pen testers and engineers and those business people who know their business controls can actually come together, and instead of having at the end of 3-week pen test, very heated workshop around vulnerabilities and their ratings, instead of that, they would vulnerability found, engineers learn about it, they reproduce it, they talk to the business look at it and say how important it is, how much actual risk there, and they work together immediately and fix that vulnerability, or make a decision maybe how to avoid it by implementing business process. And all of that require a place where they can collaborate, and teams, or there was no Zoom at the time, team call or Skype for business call in those days wouldn't fix it. It has to be conversation within a context of particular problem, in this case vulnerability.